So what is up mga ka-tech shop no?
For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here an Oppo Reno 7 5G display issue mga ka-tech shop, and as you can see at the bottom of the screen mga ka-tech shop, it's broken. So could be the customer dropped the phone and broke the LCD. So for this phone mga ka-tech shop, we'll be replacing an AMOLED LCD mga ka-tech shop. Actually it's an LED because it's AMOLED. So AMOLED LCD is quite expensive. This one's worth 3,700. So we have to be very careful with installing a new LCD, especially for AMOLED. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone mga ka-tech shop. Let's remove the back cover for this phone. So let's apply heat, and then I'm just using blade and a very thin prying tool or plastic to pry the back cover. And we have to be very careful on this one because we don't want to break the back cover mga ka-tech shop. After removing the back cover, we'll have to clean the glue, the old glue that sticks to the frame or the metal frame before removing all the screws. Once done, let's go ahead and remove all the screws from the top and on the bottom area of the metal frame. So for this case mga ka-tech shop, I ordered AMOLED LCD with frame. So basically we'll be transferring all the components from the old frame to the new frame. So it's gonna be a long process, but it's gonna be safer when installing the AMOLED. The reason why I ordered AMOLED LCD with frame because it's gonna low the percentage of having a mistake in installing the AMOLED LCD, because this one's quite expensive. So all I have to do is to transfer all the components to the new frame instead of applying glue to the LCD. As you can see, this one's LCD with frame, so it's properly glued to the frame, so I don't have to worry on applying glue on this specific LCD. So I tested it before doing the transfer, and everything's still working fine. Display is working, touch is working, and let's go ahead and transfer all the components to the new frame. Na siya game.
Sige. Ganan kay Roblox eh. Katinala, Roblox ko no. Roblox mo na. Roblox. Awa, Roblox lagi.
Tahu ngerti.
Makaros bis bro, problema bro. Problema na bako ano po.
Unan. After transferring all the components, mga ka-tech shop, I tested the LCD and display is working, touch is working, volume and power is working. So let's go ahead and glue the back cover, and then I also gave a free tempered glass for the customer. Alright, so if you're interested in this kind of video, mga ka-tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.